Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to Studio 4D. Look at that. This is my iPhone 12 Pro Max, as you can see. And today I received new update, bro. Yes, new update. Let's check. This is for brand new iOS. What? 16.2. Look at that. It's here right now in front of you, bro. You need to download this, all of this, seriously? Wow. And I'm ready to do this. I want to install this. As you can see, there are more features into this thing. Look at everything you can watch. You can see everything. You can see freeform, Apple Music Sync, advanced data protection for iCloud, lock screen, new update for iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max or something. You can see Game Center, new update, Apple TV, Home. This update also include the following improvement and bug fixes, as you can see in front of you all. I think that is very important to install this update. This is why I decided to do it right now. Okay, let me enter my passcode right now. I already get ready because I'm ready. Don't forget to long and share this video. Download and install. Update requested. You need to wait. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, as you can see, downloading started. About 4 minutes remaining. This is a big update, bro. A very big update. Ha ha ha. Get ready to see this with me, my friend, because this is amazing. This is so beautiful. Okay, wait for 3 minutes. Okay, there's something I want to show you right now before this update, before installation of this update. This is my phone. It's so beautiful. As you can see, this is how our screen look like right now. You have all of this. Beautiful, customization. Okay, lock screen. You can change everything. Okay, good. Now let's see more information about the face. Okay, RAM, internal storage, and everything. You know. Okay, add the 64. What are you doing? Look at that. Okay, we are back. iPhone 12 Pro Max. Cool. Let's see my body. You can see available RAM right now 755 megabyte. What is this, my friend? Do you believe this? 59 gigabyte internal storage. Cool. Okay, let's see what I want to show you. And now let's go for downloading. Cool. As you can see, my friend, preparing update. Can you see this? Nice. You can wait again. Okay. Now I'm ready to install this new update. You can see, download it. Now you can click on install now. Okay, verifying update. Okay, get ready, my friend. Get ready. Don't forget to share this video because this is amazing. You can also support our channel with YouTube Super Things or PayPal. The link in the description. Yes. What? What is happening here? In front of me, my friend. I don't know. But what? What is this? What was that? Oh! This Apple logo appear again? For you. Huh. Okay. The selection process started. Get ready. Get ready. Wait a few minutes. What is this, my friend? I think that there's something new here. What? Software update. Your iPhone has been updated to iOS 16.2 for brand new. Seriously? Hmm. Hello, humble Christina. How are you? Happy New Year. Okay, as you can see, it's now okay. Let me enter my passcode and ooh, this is what I'm talking about, and this is what I'm thinking about. Ready? Okay, okay, okay. Let's see more information about this. General, what is this? Okay, now sort of information. Beautiful. My phone is now update. Seriously? Okay. Let's see information about RAM, memory. What? Look at what I have here. Available storage 60 gigabyte. You can see available RAM right now 1014 megabyte. I think that iPhone need more RAM. Okay, no problem. Now um, let's start to restart this iPhone. Okay, okay, as you can see it's connected, charger is connected, and my case is here. This camera working very very well. Nice. No, click on power button to turn on this thing. Okay, 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 okay. Welcome back. Okay, they're gonna turn my passcode again. Are you ready? Are you ready? Wow, you weekend. Okay, you see what I'm talking about? Apple Store. Very nice. Very beautiful. Okay, nice. Mm, and okay, I don't know how to test with brand new features, but I think what is okay. It's installing it. It's working. Nice. Good. Cool. Let's see. iOS 64. Sort of mission. Memory. And this is what I have right now. RAM 1402 megabyte. Nice. Let's try to open some applications. Call. Nice. Messages. Great. Calendar. Look at that. Christmas Day is here. Christmas Day. Do you believe it? Cool. Mm, nice. And what? What again? What is this? Look at free form. What is this thing? You can see. Welcome to free form. Get creative. Look at that. You can do what? I don't know what is this thing, bro. Look at what you can do. Click here. add something. This face. Big test. Ah, hello. Look at that. Italic. Bold. What? This is cool, bro. This is cool, bro. Not bad. Okay, click on done. What is this? Look at that. Look at all of this. Let's take this. Put this here. Got to move. We can move like that. What can I do? I want to change each position. Okay. Nice. Change colors. Okay, change color. Change form. Everything. I don't know what is this thing, bro. I don't know. Sorry. I don't know. Look at that. We're talking to. This is my friend. Okay, cool. Done. What? Okay, look at that. Double tapped onto something. Hi. And what? I don't know how to use this, bro. And how it's useful. What can you do with this in real life, bro? Okay, I will test this out there and see how it's working. Something. Let's close. At the 64. Let's see. Memory. RAM right now. Okay. 1000. Nice. Okay. Say to me what you think about this, bro. And now I'll see you later for more videos. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and support our channel with YouTube super things. On the best video or PayPal, the link in the description.